Stay out. Okay.
I'm looking coming, but
you get to do yours next.
Hi. Go.
It's on.
Hi. I would like to show you some gymnastics I can do. Well, this is a cartwheel. This is my somersault, pretty much. And this is my handstand. This is my tuck pump. This is my
Good one.
And this is my limber. I'm not that good, so, you know.
Good try. Woo! Woo!